Hey everybody, so today I'm going to go over this biometric safe with 3 ways to open it: keypad, key, or fingerprint. Now there's up to 32 fingerprints that can be stored here. What is this for? Well, you can store jewelry, weapons, important documents, anything you want. I'm going to show everything there is to know about the safe so you can make a good decision. Stay tuned for the whole video. So let's say you have an intruder in your house or you're storing a lot of jewelry. Where do you put it? Well, how about a biometric safe? Let's get into it. Yes, my friends, biometric safe is somewhere where you store all your valuables. Now I'm going to show you another one of a little pin dad safe that I have. This is a USB pin that accesses the drive without people knowing what's on there. So let's just say I press this and I put in my key and then I press key. See, double green, and then look at that. Woo! Now if I choose to lock it, I can just take this out. Boom, closes it off, and then I can just go and put this in safety deposit box or anything, and all your valuable documents can be on here, and there's absolutely no way anybody is going to decrypt this. And not only that, you can drive over this, stamp on this, and throw it out of a plane and it won't get damaged because of just, well, the way this is created. This is all one piece. It's like there's like a half in here and it's metal. Anyway, so this is now going to go into, boom, my biometric safe along with some other stuff. This is also mainly used for a gun. Well, let's say USB-C charged. So if for whatever reason your lock doesn't work, you can still access it by plugging in the cable in here temporarily, and then this would recharge it enough that you would have enough juice to pop this open. Alright, so we plugged in our USB-C power bank. So here's how it works. When you get it, 4-5 number, this will pop open the safe and then you can take out whatever you want. You get 2 screws, you get steel wire rope. It's used as a security feature, and a tether to make sure that somebody can't just quickly grab your safe and take it away. Now, in order to mount this, so there are 2 mountable screws right here, so you can attach it to the floor, or you can attach it to a wall, for example. There's also a spot for batteries that you can put in here. How big is this? So if you have a weapon, jewelry, it's a big jewelry box, you can place it in here as well. And again, close it, it's locked automatically. There's like no way to open it. There's really no way to open it. The only way to open it, again, is with a key. So you also get 2 keys. So if you lose the key, you can give the number on the emergency lock, which is right here when you contact the company, and they can copy the key via that number. No fingerprints will be able to open the door in original factory settings. You're going to need to use the password to open it. The password by default is 12345 until you change it. If an incorrect password is entered 5 times, the device is going to lock for 3 minutes, where nothing is going to open it except for obviously the key. Any attempted entries or operations during the lock period is going to activate a beeping noise. So let me show you that right now. So we're going to lock this up, and we're going to turn, and we're going to put in the wrong password 5 times. 2, 3, 4, and now 5. See, nothing. It won't let me punch anything in anymore. Now let's see if we can open it with the key. Well, the key works. To set the password on the keypad, you will press this button. There's a button here, it's called set. Press 1. And now you enter a new password. So we'll go 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now that's our password. So if you want to test it, we close it and we go 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 number, and that's going to open it. Now to set the fingerprint, you do it the opposite. You press the, again, set button and press number 2. And now you're going to put your fingerprint. You see that? You're going to get that green color. That means it's locked, it's safe. You close the safe, and if it recognizes it, it opens it. So in terms of the biometrics or, types of safes, this is pretty good. There's a nice hinge on it as well, and I like that it opens automatically. This old school one, like it's, yeah, you gotta do this and that, and then it's just the way it opens. This one is nice and it's much more spacious. And again, like I said, you can fit a lot of stuff in here. So that's the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I definitely recommend this product. Again, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.